Before installation, please check if all the accessories are complete before installation. These are required tools for DIY installation. It is recommended to wear safety glasses when drilling. Install the three-way ball valve. First, turn off the cold water supply. Then disconnect the cold water hose from the cold water valve. Insert the white pipe into the convex connector of the three-way ball valve and tighten the nut with a wrench. Then install the three-way ball valve on the cold water valve and tighten it with a wrench. Connect the cold water hose with the three-way ball valve, ensuring the gasket inside is in place before tightening it securely. Install the main unit. Ensure the system is placed on a stable, flat, dry surface and away from heat sources. Pull out all the plugs in the unit, but except the green one, otherwise water could leak. Cut the white pipe that connects to the three-way ball valve to the proper length, and then connect it to the water in slot in the main unit. And use a quick connector clip to secure the tube in the slot. Install the faucet. Assemble the faucet. Drill a hole of approximately 20 to 25 millimeters, then place the faucet into the pre-drilled hole. Screw the rubber gasket and mounting nut onto the faucet stem and tighten securely. Connect the pipe from the faucet to the quick connector and secure it with a quick connector clip. Then connect the blue pipe to the quick connector and secure it with a quick connector clip. Insert the blue pipe into the RO water slot and secure it with a quick connector clip. Install the drain connector. Please check if all the accessories of the drain connector are complete before installation. Choose a suitable position on the drain pipe to drill a 6.5 millimeters hole. Apply the adhesive tape to the drain connector and peel off the protective layer. Install the nut at the corresponding position of the drain connector. Install the gray pipe through the drain connector. Then connect the drain connector to the drain pipe, ensuring the gray pipe passes through the hole in the drain tube. Tighten both nuts with a screwdriver and secure the pipe with a quick connector clip. Then, connect the gray pipe to the waste slot in the main unit and secure it with a quick connector clip. First time usage. Turn on the three-way ball valve and cold water valve. Connect the power cord. The system will beep and all indicator lights stay on for 3 seconds. Then the system will automatically flush for 18 seconds. Check for any leaks during this process. Turn on the water faucet and let the water run for another 25 minutes from the RO filter. Filter replacement. Turn off the three-way ball valve and cold water supply. Turn on the faucet to drain all the water from the system. And disconnect the power supply. Remove the front cover. Unfold the handle to unscrew the filter that needs to be replaced. Then wipe the filter slot with a rag. Rotate the corresponding new filter clockwise into the main unit. Put back the front cover. Hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds. This auto-selects the AQP filter. To complete the reset for either filter, hold the filter reset button again for 3 seconds until the blue light blinks twice and stays on, with a confirming beep. For the 4-in-1 filter, hold for 3 seconds, then briefly press the button. To complete the reset for either filter, hold the filter reset button again for 3 seconds until the blue light blinks twice and stays on, with a confirming beep. Daily maintenance. If the system is not used for more than 2 days, turn on the RO water and allow the water to run for at least 5 minutes to flush the filters in the system. If the system will not be used for more than 7 days, take out the filter cartridges, seal them with plastic wraps, and store them in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Before using it again, insert the filter cartridges back. Turn on the water faucet for at least 10 minutes to flush the filters and the system. Now enjoy cleaner and healthier water.
Innovation and you. Philips.